Alright, let's see here. I got the nuts and bolts through, holding the blades on. I ran short on bolts. I don't know, this one is barely, it's on pretty good, it's sunken in. There's a little bit of thread above. Once I get to Home Depot, I'm gonna get some of these some of these bolts and more like that size right there. Probably about 2.5, 3-inch bolts I'm gonna get. I could cut them. So let me flip this over. Alright, and that's what the front looks like. I recommend putting a washer in here underneath like this. So I accidentally cracked the inside part here. So you definitely want to put a washer on here, and to avoid any kind of crackage on the sides. Unless you have big enough ones where you don't have to put a washer, but I would definitely use a washer. And that's about it. This thing's almost finished. I'm going to spray it again with the clear coat and spray the back with the clear coat. And I'm going to put it up, see what it does, see if how long it'll hang in there. And in the meantime, I gotta get more of these bolts, and I should be able to do this up on the ladder, so it's not no big deal for me. I'll spray both sides with the clear coat underneath and around here. When I can get it up and spin it, I'll just spray it from the back. And I'll go hook up my wires. I already have my wires coming down to my batteries outside here. And once it's up and we get a nice breeze, I'll post a video on that.